In this tutorial video, I will be showing you how to set up cart abandonment recovery emails. This means that an email will be sent to users who have items in their cart, but never completed the payment process or checkout. So, scroll down. Under Search Engine Optimization and Marketing Tools, click on Cart Abandonment Recovery Emails. By default, you will have these 3 mail templates. And you can enable them by clicking on the buttons here. If they are enabled, the button will turn green, such as this one. If they are not enabled, the button will be gray, like these. You do not need to create a new mail template. But if you want to, then follow this video. I will explain the features on this page later in the video. I will be showing you how to create a cart abandonment recovery email first. So, click on Create New Template. Inactivate template now. Enable this option if you want to activate the current follow-up email. By default, it is not enabled. In the template name field, this is what the template will be called. The user receiving the email will not see this. This is only for your use. In the email subject, add the subject line you want to send with this follow-up email. Then, in email body. This is where your email content goes. Over here, you can browse for images you want to add to this mail. You can add images provided from us, from your media library, or directly from your computer. You can also add other types of media. You can use this search filter to filter by the date. Now, you can use these features to create the body text of the email. Here is an example. Now, these features here and here are short codes. It will perform an action according to its respective names. These short codes are human-readable short codes. For example, this will display the customer's first name that the email is being sent to. This will display the products that are still in the user's cart. So on and so forth. These can be accessed from here. There is a number of features you can use. Now, if you want to add links in the email, click on Text. Then choose where you want to add a link to. Then select Link. Enter the URL here. Then, in the link text field, the text you enter here is going to be the link. Here is an example. So, in this example, the word click here will be the link. So, if users click on click here, they will be taken to this URL. The link title will provide more information about where the link takes the user. Here is an example. I have set the link title to further information. So, when users hover over the link, the text further information will pop up. This is an optional feature. If you want this link to be opened in a new tab when a user clicks on it, enable this option. If you select the No Follow field, then the search engine will not count it as a backlink. If you select the Sponsored field, then the search engine will treat the link as an advertisement. You can also set a link to your existing content. Just search for it here, then select it. When you are done configuring this, click on Add Link. Then, there are more features here that you can use for your email content. For example, let's say I want to use the Be Quote feature. Click on it. Then type the text. Then click on the Be Quote button again to close the coding. As you see, this is what it looks like. Another example could be the code button. Click on it. Then type your text, and click on the code button again to close the coding. As you see, this is what it looks like. Now, if you click on the link, 2 options will appear. You can click on Remove Link to delete this link, or you can click on Edit. If you click on Edit, you can change the URL. Or you can click on Options. This will take you back to the options page for the link. Now, down here, you can create a coupon for this email template. After you click on it, you will see settings for the coupon. Select the type of discount. If you choose percentage discount, then a percentage discount will apply to the user's total bill. If you choose fixed cart discount, then the discount is based on US dollars. An amount in US dollars will be applied to the user's total bill. Enter the coupon amount. Then, enter an expiration date. If you enter 0, then the coupon will not expire. If you enable free shipping, then it will grant free shipping only under this condition. We do not recommend enabling free shipping. If you enable individual use only, then the customer can only use one coupon at a time. If this is disabled, then the user can apply more than one coupon to their total bill. If you enable auto apply coupon, then, after the user clicks on the link to continue shopping, the coupon will automatically be applied. Here is how to create a continue shopping link. Click on WCAR fields. Then, click on cart checkout URL. Copy this, then delete the text. Go to the text page. Choose where you want to add this link. Then click on link. Paste the text here. Then, enter the link text. As you see, the link has been successfully created. At the very bottom of the page, in the Send This Email field, set the time after which the email should be sent to the customer once they abandon their cart. You can set this according to minutes, hours, and days. Then, in the Send Test Email field, if you want to see how your mail will look like, send a test email to your email using this option. Once you have configured everything, click on Save Changes. Now, back on the main page, you can see the basic information of the recovery mails. You can see the template name, the email subject, when the mail will be sent to the customer after cart is abandoned, and if the mail is activated or not. You can activate it or deactivate it on this page. Now, if you want to delete more than one mail template, select the mail templates you want to delete. Then click on Bulk Actions. Click on Delete, then click on Apply. Now, if you hover over a mail template, you will see options that you can choose. You can edit the mail template, this will take you to the previous page. You can delete the mail template, or you can clone it. If you click on Clone, it will create a duplicate mail template. As you see, the mail template has been duplicated. You can manage the cart abandonment recovery settings. Click here. By default, these settings are set for you. But you can change them. Up here, you can enable tracking. This will start capturing carts that are abandoned. A cart is considered abandoned if the order is not completed in 15 minutes. You can choose to exclude email sending for certain steps. If you enable this, then you will be notified when there is a new order recovery. Then, if you enable this option, it will set a weekly cron to delete all expired and used coupons automatically. If you want to delete coupons by yourself, then you can come to this page and click on Delete. Now, in this section, by default, the first field will be set to the name admin, and your email address will be here already. Then, you can enable this option. This will ask the user's permission before tracking data. A confirmation text will appear below the email on the checkout page. Once you configure all this, click on Save Changes. Now, back on this page, you can check cart abandonment reports. Click here. On this page, you can see the recoverable orders, recovered orders, lost orders, recoverable revenue, recovered revenue, and recovery rate. You can choose which time frame you want to see the data on. Then, up here, if you want to search for a specific time frame, you can do that. Just set the date. If you click one of these buttons, it will show you the respective orders. The orders will be displayed down here. In my case, I do not have any orders. You can also search for orders by email. That's all you need to know. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video for future tutorial videos.